Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. Today's topic are the numbers from 0 to 20. Swiss German numbers are very similar to High German, although some have a few special characteristics. Let's start with the numbers from 0 to 10. The first number is 0, Eis, or ice. Both spellings and pronunciations are common. In general, words with AI can also be written and pronounced as EI. The same goes for the number zwei or zwei. Additionally, there exist the forms zwei and zwo. If we want to use the number 2 with a masculine noun, zwei is used. For example, zwei Männer. On the other hand, we use zwo for feminine nouns. For example, zwo Frauen. However, for simplification, in modern Swiss German, zwei or zwei can be used for all nouns. Something similar applies to the number 3. Here we have the normal form drei or drei for masculine and feminine nouns. Once again, we can also use drei for all nouns to simplify matters. The remaining numbers have no such gender-specific forms. 4, 5, or 5. As we have seen in the number zwei or zwei, we can always pronounce the EI as AI and the same with ÖI and OI. 5, 5. Both spellings and pronunciations are considered correct. The next number is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers from 10 to 20 also follow the High German and English principle. The first two numbers are irregular, 11, 12. After that, they are put together, with 13 and 15 being slightly irregular. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the numbers from 0 to 20 in Swiss German. We have to be particularly careful with the numbers zwei, drei, and 5, as these have irregularities. Next week we will talk about the remaining numbers up to 1,000, or you can find all the numbers and corresponding exercises in our beginner's ebook Zurich für Anfänger, or download our language learning app from the App Store or Google Play. To practice, try to solve the following exercises. 3 plus 8, 9 plus 11, 1 plus 15. Write us your solution as a comment under this video for a chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This helps our channel and shows us what content you're especially interested in. Merci vielmal, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.